How far up do you reckon, mate?
I don't know. It depends on how much rain they've had here to see where we can cross and where we can get access to, I suppose.
Hey mate, there's a new spot here that we haven't camped at before, and it looks like there's plenty of water here. Mightn't be a bad spot to have a look at. What do you think?
Yeah, mate, we'll have a look at it. It's, is that a bit of a creek crossing there or something, is it? Up ahead.
Yeah, that creek crossing that we usually go through has got water through it. Just stop and have a look, eh?
Yeah, mate.
We're coming in a little bit late this time, so we've got to try and beat that sun. So we're running out of options on where we can camp. There's plenty of spots around here. We've just got to find one that's going to suit us, where there's going to be plenty of shade but heaps of solar, because we're going to rely on solar because we're here for a few days, and then firewood. Here we go. How hot was that?
It's bloody hot. It was around 35 degrees. This is bullshit. But it's good. Camp set up. Beers are cold. And we're about to get stuck into it. For another weekend anyway.
Easter Saturday. We got up here late. So basic setup tonight. Because we have to get the fire on, because I'm cooking with the fire. I don't know about you, but I need it. But mate, that was filthy hot. Filthy hot.
These are cold.
These are cold. These are going down super well. But check this out for a sunset, hey? Not bad.
It's snaky out there.
It's snaky. It's snaky. But cheers, bud.
Let's do it, mate.
That was feral. All right, as we said, we've got in late, so simple dinner. I've got some pork chops, put them in a clip seal bag with sriracha, honey and barbecue sauce. Let them marinate all day. And we've got some Turkish bread with garlic butter. We'll chuck them on the hot coals with a bit of salad. Super easy tonight.
Buffalo wings. They're a little bit spicier than the last ones that I did. That's the only reason why, is because I'm a little bit drunker this time than I was last time. But these are absolute cracker. If you want to know the recipe, mate, I've already done a clip on it last year. So
Out at Notchy, mate.
Mate, Notchy. And mate, try that out, because it is an absolute ripper.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
Talk us through it, mate.
Hang out of food.
Hang on, food.
Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Have you not got enough? Not a bad view. Look at the sun coming through the trees into the rapids. And this is where we're hanging out during the middle of the day. It's so hot. Rapids and beers. It's a winning combo. Pretty cool, eh? Well, how do you cut fat off with this thing? It's like I should be using it to cut someone's head off.
Give it to a man.
Oh, I'm not convinced, mate. I'm not.
Well, mate, we would have still been here about 5 minutes.
That'll do. Oh, you dickhead. That's it. You're not in the clip anymore.
Yes.
Oh, that's what you want, is it?
There's a
I'm not talking to you. That's 2 kilo. You can see it's reduced a lot, but it looks really, really nice. I'm going to cut a slice off and give it to...
Come on, I'll tell the truth.
I'm going to give it to Mr. Critical. Now, do you want me to get the mattress out? Because I know you eat it and then you go, and you fall over.
Well,
I've seen it. I've seen it. You do it behind my back. You do it every time. And
No, it's good. I like it. Actually, I really like it.
now I'm going to turn my back. Go.
Right there, top of the moon.
I'm on.
We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend of me. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. No, it's not.
I think it's hard.
This when it first hits, it feels like it's really big, but must be a lot of little ones just down those currents. Ow, ow, in the rapids there. That's another one, Brocky, just here. Yeah, that's 2 from 2 just here, in these rapids.
Watch you come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away.
It's fun.
I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good
Nice, mate.
alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend.
I'm a little sooty.
Nice one.
Too scared now, thinking you should call
Same thing, straight out of the rapids. They're a predatory fish, and they love just sitting in the clear water, still water underneath, and just want to ambush anything that comes out of these rapids or drops out of the trees.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
There we have it. That's our Easter weekend. Done. Wasn't long enough. Anyway, back to work. Didn't really plan anything for this weekend. Didn't really show anything. Just bits and pieces. I don't know if it'll make a clip or not, but it's been hot. It's been really hot this weekend. But the water's beautiful and we've had a really good time. We did some good cooking and we'll see you out there. Hey, Root.
I'm feeling